What are the cons of quartz stone? Dear friends, we can easily understand the advantages of quartz products. Through dealers, through the internet, or through magazines, etc. The advantages of this product do not need much introduction from us, many people know it. We know that the reason why this material and product is so popular must have many advantages. However, any material has its drawbacks. Of course, quartz is no exception. What are the cons of quartz stone? 1. Expensive price. Quartz is an artificial stone product with scientific and technological content. It was first developed in Italy and later became popular all over the world. Different from natural stone or artificial marble, the production of artificial quartz stone has higher requirements. Because of the need for qualified physical properties and chemical stability, its cost is often higher than that of other materials. Although with the intensification of market competition, the price of products is lower than before, but the overall price of quartz stone products is still higher than other building materials. 2. Not resistant to high temperatures. Quartz stone is a high-end artificial stone product formed by natural quartz sand and resins, pigments, and fillers under high temperature and high pressure. It has very stable physical and chemical properties. However, because of the characteristics of raw materials, there are also inevitable defects. For example, it is not resistant to ultra-high temperatures. If you have a high temperature of more than 300 degrees, it will damage the quartz countertop, causing irreparable damage. This feature is not as resistant to high temperatures as granite. 3. Cannot use to outdoor. Quartz stone is a popular material for kitchen countertops, and we have seen a lot of famous kitchen projects using quartz stone. At the same time, people have started to use it in bathrooms, floors, bars, etc. Of course, all of these applications are indoors. Because of the composition and characteristics of quartz, it cannot be used in outdoor applications. It cannot withstand complex climate change or direct ultraviolet rays from the sun's rays. 4. The seams are noticeable. The size of the quartz countertop has different sizes according to different projects. We know that quartz slabs have standard sizes, and we need to cut them according to the size of different countertops. At this point, there will be a situation where two countertops are spliced. This kind of seam will have obvious marks, which is also one of the disadvantages of quartz. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.